showing and hiding layers. See, on Krita interface, you can see whatever the layers we have added, it is going to display onto the layer section. Now, how to show and hide the layers onto the Krita section. See, simply click on, we can observe here, there is a eye icon beside the each layers. See, there is a eye icon. Simply by pressing the icon eye, we are going to hide and view the layers what we are going to use under the Krita. See, for example, simply if I click onto the eye, see now the layer is going to be hide from the interface. See now on the interface of the Krita, there is no object or layer. As soon I click onto the eye icon again, it is going to be visible. See now the icon means object has been visible onto the Krita interface. See, in this way we are going to hide and visible layers onto the Krita. Thank you.